Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by protecting data, so copy essential files to an external drive or cloud. This prevents permanent loss. Once done, make sure the laptop is plugged into AC power and the battery won't die mid-process. Restart the HP and immediately press ESC, then F11 if needed to open Recovery Manager. This launches the system restore environment. You're doing this because the recovery partition contains factory image and tools that will reinstall Windows and drivers reliably. You now pick how deep the restore should be. Choose System Restore to roll back to a previous Windows point, or System Recovery for a full factory reinstall. Once you select, follow on-screen prompts to choose the recovery source, local partition, USB recovery drive, or cloud recovery if offered. Make sure you read confirmations about data loss. You'll need to confirm twice. The process reinstalls Windows and HP drivers, so the system returns to known good software state. You finish by letting the restore run fully. Do not interrupt power while files and drivers are applied. When the laptop reboots, complete Windows setup, sign in, and restore your backed up files and apps. Once done, update Windows and HP drivers to avoid issues. If the recovery fails or the recovery partition is missing, create or use USB recovery media and check BIOS boot order. If you still can't recover, contact HP support or use a clean Windows install as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.